In our previous videos, we learned how to calculate the relative atomic mass and weighted average atomic mass. Now, we know that when someone says atomic mass, they truly mean the weighted average atomic mass. It is expressed in atomic mass unit, or AMU, or Dalton. And one atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. For example, the atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12.011 U. But when the atom is specified, like carbon 12, carbon 13, or oxygen 16, there the atomic mass is the mass of that particular atom relative to 1/12 of mass of one carbon 12 atom.
For example, carbon 12 has atomic mass is equal to 12.000 U. Carbon 13 atomic mass is 13.00335 U. Oxygen 16 atomic mass is 15.995 U. If you know the atomic mass, then you can easily calculate the molecular mass. Molecular mass is the total mass of a molecule obtained by adding the weighted average atomic masses of all the atoms present in that molecule. It is important to note that, while calculating the molecular mass, we always consider the weighted average atomic mass of the atoms. If average atomic mass of carbon is 12.011 U and average atomic mass of oxygen is 15.999 U, then the molecular weight of CO2 will be 44.009 U. The next important term which is generally used in chemistry is the molar mass. Molar mass is not same as molecular mass. Molecular mass is the mass of the molecule, and it is expressed in AMU. But molar mass of any substance is the mass of 1 mole of that substance. As we know, 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number, therefore molar mass of any atom, molecule, or polymer is the total mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of that atom, molecule, or polymer. It is expressed as gram per mole. For example, we know mass of one hydrogen atom is equal to 1.008 U. Now mass of 1 mole of hydrogen atom will be 1.008 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 U, which will be 6.070 into 10 to the power 23 U. We can convert it into grams. Since we know 1 U is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Therefore, 6.070 into 10 to the power 23 U will be 1.008 grams. This is the mass of 1 mole of hydrogen atom. We represent it 1.008 grams per mole. If we take iron element, whose average atomic mass is 54.845 U, its molar atomic mass will be 54.845 gram per mole. Similarly, if we take carbon dioxide, whose molecular mass is 44.009 U, its molar mass will be 44.009 gram per mole. To conclude, if the mass of one atom or molecule is x U, then the mass of 1 mole of those atoms or molecules is x gram per mole.